Here I have POCO X5 Pro, and today I'm going to show you how to check your IMEI number on this device. So to do this, you have two different methods. The first one, you just open keypad, like you open phone application, open keypad here, and enter the secret code, which is *#06#, and here you can find your IMEI 1 and also your IMEI 2. And the second method for it, you just open settings, go to the about phone section, then you go to the detailed info and specs, and here you can find then you go to status, and here you can find IMEI slot 1 and also IMEI slot 2 numbers. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.